Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese Young Papaya salad, or we call it Lawar Gedang. So let's start. For this recipe, I'm going to use 400 grams of young papaya, which is only half size of this, 2 tablespoons fresh salad, 2 tablespoons fresh garlic, some salt, kaffir lime fruit, 2 kaffir lime leaf, fresh coconut meat 30 grams, mackerel fillet 100 grams, bumbu genep, and fried chili with shrimp paste. For this recipe, if you would like to see the video, please check the description. And also, we need 20 centimeter banana leaf and bamboo skewer. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to do is boil about around 1 liter of water. So we need to add 1 teaspoon of salt into the water. While we're waiting the water, I'm going to peel and clean the papaya. I only use half and get rid of the seed. Peel the skin. Now I'm going to wash it. See you soon. Hello, I'm back. I've been washed this papaya and the water also is ready. So now we're going to boil the papaya until just soft, or about 20 minutes. And after that, while we boil the papaya, we're going to prepare the fish. For the fish, we need to do is take the skin off, and chop it into small pieces. Now I'm going to mix the fish with the bumbu genep. So add 1.5 tablespoon of bumbu genep, one, half, and a pinch of salt, just a little pinch, and mix well. Take the banana leaf and put the fish inside the banana leaf. Flat, and then roll. Tied with the bamboo skewer. When the papaya is ready, we're going to grill this fish. Now the papaya is ready. Like you can see here, when I put the fork, and it's not too soft, it's just soft. Yeah. So it's been ready. Let's take it out. We need to cool it down before we use it. And now I'm going to grill the fish and the coconut. So the coconut is ready. We just need to wait the fish. Now the fish is ready. Smells so good. And now we're going to grate the coconut. And grated all the papaya. I just finished grated the papaya and now I'm going to add the fish and the kaffir lime leaf. But the first thing we need to chop them. And 3 tablespoons of bumbu genep. A pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon of red shallot. Because another 1 tablespoon I'm going to use as a garnish. Tiny bit of the fresh chili and shrimp paste. So I'm using is about half tablespoon and tiny bit of the shrimp paste. And half size of the kaffir lime fruit. So let's mix together. Normally the lawar is served with rice and fish satay, and also it can eat on its own. Fresh shallot. Fresh garlic. Here we are, Balinese Young Papaya Salad. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.